Welcome to Studio 11 Salon and Spa, a premium range of salon in your neighborhood. Today we are gonna start with a cleanup which is called Oxygenate Cleanup. Oxygenate Cleanup is for people with dull and tired skin. It's like giving enough oxygen to the skin to bring back the suppleness. Here we would need Oxygenating Cleanup Kit, hand sanitizer, cotton pads, extractor, a pack brush and few cotton tissues. Starting with the cleanup, here we are starting with the first step, which is cleansing the hands with the sanitizer. Emulsify the sanitizer enough so that your hands are enough sanitized to touch the client's skin. Now, starting with cleansing, the first step in the cleanup. Here, this cleansing cream gently cleanses the skin pores, increases moisturization and soothes delicate and inflamed skin. For this, apply the cleansing cream all over the face. Spread with round circular motions a specialized cleansing cream which would suit any skin type, cleaning it more thoroughly. The cleansing has to be carried out for 2 minutes. The second step is toning the skin. Take 1 ml of toner on a cotton pad and dab on the skin. This step cleanses all the traces of cleansing cream and bring back the pH level of the skin which were disturbed by the cleansing cream. Now the third step being the scrubbing of the skin. Here we are using a scrub made of rice and other exfoliating agents. Apply the scrub all over the face and scrub it in round circular motions. Rice scrub gently scrubs away all the dead cells and thus improves skin texture, color and renews the complexion of the skin. Meanwhile, if the skin needs steaming and extractions, the steam can be given upon the product applied. Place wet cotton pads on the eyes to prevent the heat of steam touching the eyes. While the steamer is on, scrubbing and steam can be given simultaneously for more better results. Remove the scrub with good sterilized sponges. The removal of the scrub has to be gentle enough. Dust all the scrub granules with a square cut cotton. Make sure the skin doesn't have any granules left over. Now, perform extractions if the skin needs. Make sure to use a sterilized extractor to avoid any infections. Be gentle enough while extracting so that you don't hurt the client's skin. Squeeze out the gel pack on a brush to avoid any contamination. Apply the pack all over the face evenly. Here we are using a gel pack to provide moisturization and good amount of hydration. This pack calms and soothes the skin. Also apply the pack evenly onto the neck. Place cotton pads dipped in rose water for more better relaxation and soothing of the eyes. Place cotton pads dipped in rose water for an enhanced relaxation and to soothe the skin. The pack has to be there on skin on between 5 to 10 minutes depending on the requirement of the skin. Removal of the pack. Remove the pack in gentle upwards strokes. Perform a thorough cleanse and make sure there are no traces of pack left. Dab the excess water from the skin with a tissue paper. And if it's a daytime, do not forget to apply sunscreen. The sunscreen we are using is a unique combination of antioxidants. It helps neutralize damaging free radicals besides giving protection and retaining youthfulness. If it's a daytime, do not forget to apply sunscreen. The sunscreen we are using is a unique combination of antioxidants, helps neutralize damaging free radicals beside giving protection and retaining youthfulness. And here we are done with the Oxygenate Cleanup.